So if you've watched any of my videos before, you'll know that I've got a big thing about collecting bags. I think that started to stem onto me getting into everyday carry stuff. Now, I watch a lot of videos about different things that everyone's has for their everyday carry and everything else, and you know, one of the main things that you carry every day, I carry every day, is my wallet. Now, I've had this Ridge wallet for over a year, and as you can tell, it's seen better days. It's all scraped up, where it's in my pocket and it's against my phone and, you know, keys and everything else. And last time I went on Ridge's website, I bought too much stuff. Now, I bought, you know, stuff that I don't even use, like this quick draw wallet attachment. Never use that. Like the key case, I actually use that. I have the I actually use that daily. My keys are on that, as well as my AirTag. I also have the AirTag accessories for the back of the wallet, you know, my Ridge wallet, and a coin tray that you can barely fit any coins in, but I got that anyway. So as you can see, I went crazy last time I went on the Ridge's website, which leads to this video, because I went on their website again. They had a sale, and I'm a sucker, especially when it comes to sales. As you'll see, I'm actually working on a alpaca Black Friday video, which again, they had a sale on. They were offering free gifts, just like Ridge. Yeah, so keep an eye out for that video. But yeah, this is my Ridge haul, so to speak. Now, they were offering a free gift over X amount of money, and yeah, I hit that. So let's start with the inevitable stuff that I actually bought. I bought a kit, which came with, not that, those three. Basically, it was the new key case, matching wallet, and pen in gunmetal. The wallet itself, I believe this is the version 2 as well. Mine is the original version, and yeah, we've got version 2, which is quite nice. It doesn't feel much different. I believe it's a little bit thinner, if anything. So put that to the side. Yeah, gunmetal, matching band on the back, because obviously I've got, on my one, I have the AirTag. Mine doesn't have this bit, so actually I do have that, is in the original box, but you know, I had the AirTag, and that's changing very shortly. So yeah, we've got the gunmetal Ridge wallet, and yeah, it does look, the metal bits do seem a wee bit thinner, but yeah, that's the easy change. Is I carry a few £5 notes for work, so if people get on the bus with 10s, 20s, they don't have proper change, what I do is I normally keep some £5 notes for change. So again, part of my everyday carry. Then my bank cards, yeah, that does feel a little bit thinner. But yeah, bank cards, driving licenses, stuff for work. Now these, I believe, carry up to 12 cards, but you know, and I'm not affiliated with Ridge. I'd love to be, but I'm not. I paid out of my own money for this. I do have the matching key holder. So this is my current one. It's the forged carbon. I wanted to get the forged carbon wallet this time, but I couldn't find it on their website because it has the red bits. But I've got the gunmetal one, and you know, it's nice. Now I've got my airport tracker, again Ridge, which is quite nice, and my alpaca bag clip that everything goes in. Now I don't have many keys in this. It's literally 3. And 2 of them I'm not 100% sure what they do. But yeah, I have 3 keys, mainly my front door. But yeah, it's quick and easy to swap over. I'm just going to use the original loop as well, there's no point. Comes with the tool to undo it. So quick and easy going into the key holder. It does, unlike a lot of the other ones I've used before, I've actually had some of the cheaper stuff before. This has a spring inside, so you don't have to use the little washers to separate them and pack it out or anything like that. It all goes nice and easily. But yeah, it comes with all the tools that you need to do it. It comes with 2 different size sort of key ring tags, I suppose. So you get 2 different sizes. I use the smaller one, but yeah, that's as quick and easy as that is. That is my keys. Swapped over to my new key case to match my wallet. Yeah. Nice and easy. So as you can see, matching. The other item I got, which again matching, is the Ridge pen. It's sort of like a bolt action pen. I've not actually seen one in real life, I've not had one before, so this is aluminium gunmetal bolt action pen. Let's put that, I'll put that in the box later. But yeah, like a rifle bolt. That's quite nice. I do like that. That feels and it gives you that sort of fidget toy as well. 2 things in one: fidget toy, pen. Now, one of their new products that I saw, and I was like, yes, I want one of these, solely for the fact that it takes me back to the 90s when I used to have a keychain hanging off my wallet, and they're bringing it back. So I'm just it's got a decent length to it. And like I said, I keep my wallet in my pocket, and this is probably not something I'm going to have on all the time, but so you're going to have the choice of if you want to have that on or not. But nice length chain, and that is the part you need. Now obviously you don't need to get it with the chain. I got it with the chain because I wanted to, essentially. Now I believe all it is you take off the top 2 bolts. No, I'm going to have to read the instructions. Right, okay, so you actually have to remove all 7 of these screws, because apparently on either the front or the rear, it does give you the option of both sides, especially obviously if you've got the money clip on one side, you're going to want to do it on the other side. But you have to do all 7. And the best thing is you get the tool to do this, and you get some extra screws, and apparently on the inside, yeah, what you see is just in there you have the groove that they go in. That's why they suggest taking all 7 out, just so that you can make sure it goes into the groove. You can probably get away with not fully taking it out, just sliding it down and wiggling it around into the groove, but for the time it took to take all 7 screws out, you might as well. And just like that, it's on. All we have to do and there it is. Now, unfortunately the trousers I'm currently wearing doesn't have any lapels, but it used to be in the back pocket we used to wear in. But yeah, that's quite nice. Now obviously I'm not going to have this on all the time, because obviously if I'm at work or anything like that, I don't really need the chain. Or do I? Now the next item, I have ordered the Ridge tracker card, which can be used with Find My iPhone, and fully and rechargeable, wirelessly rechargeable, I might add. Literally a case of turn it on, press a button, and yeah, it's connected, nice and easy. It's charging wirelessly as well. It doesn't take long to charge, but even that was scarily fast. That's all charged, that's all connected, and all I have to do now is slide it in my wallet. No more AirTag, bulk or anything like that. Nice and simple, and that connected just as simple as an AirTag. Now one of the other items that I am super excited about is the velvet tray. Now I've got their original tray, which is on my desk. They've got this new velvet tray that they've released. And it looks... In fact, I'm going to grab the other one. So this is the original one, and this is their new velvet one. I like both of them. I like the fact that you've got compartments and they both have the same cutout. So you have these cable pass-throughs, so if you're charging your phone or anything like that. I've been using my generic cheap wallet that I had bought years and years ago, which I wanted to, which I actually swapped and upgraded to Ridge, which I'm not gonna lie, it just makes it look cool. And then obviously one of the reasons why I got suckered into buying new stuff was a free gift, and I'm guessing it's the carbon fibre 3K bolt action pen, because they did say it's like a $55 a £55 sort of free gift when you spend over such and such, or should I say, it is supposed to be a gift of a value of £55 from the website. No idea what it was going to be, but yeah, a bolt action pen. Sort of, I can put this elsewhere, or it'll match with the black wallet. Obviously I can still flip between the two, one for holidays, one, yeah. But yeah, I got as the free gift this carbon fibre bolt action pen, and I love the actions on these. Yeah, that's really nice. Let me know what you think of my Ridge haul. I'm getting very much into the everyday carry now. Obviously the pens serve the function of, you need a pen and you need a fidget toy, so you have the best of both in both of those, which I quite like. It all goes hand in hand. Now obviously I have my everyday bag for work. Let me know if you actually want to see what a bus driver carries with him on a daily basis as everyday carry. Obviously we have our wallets, we have our keys, we do carry a pen with us every single day, and you know, we have other stuff, and I use a specific bag which for work absolutely love. But on that note, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll be back very soon with the next video. Thanks for watching. Adios.